A new Samsung phone usually means a new pair of earbuds to go with it. This year, it's the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Now, I have to admit, I expected a little bit more from where Samsung would be with their earbuds, especially now that there are independent wireless earbuds everywhere. AirPods and AirPods Pro and Echo Buds and everything else. The Galaxy Buds Plus are really just battery-enhanced versions of the Galaxy Buds, which is nice. 11 hours for the Buds, which is significantly better than other stuff out there, plus 11 hours in the case for a combined 22 hours. Now, I haven't actually tested that, and I haven't gotten a chance to listen to music. I just got to put the Galaxy Buds Plus in my ears. And they look nice. They don't stick out too much. They're fine. They're meant to have an additional microphone for making calls and having things sound a little bit better. But do these have noise cancellation? No. And interestingly, they don't have fitness. Now, fitness is a thing that Samsung did way back. Before there were AirPods, there was the Gear Icon X. Those had health tracking stuff. And at CES, I met with Valencell, a company that makes heart rate tracking components in earbuds for a lot of companies, and was talking about how eventually that could be used to track things like blood pressure. I thought maybe Samsung would go there now, and they haven't. Maybe Samsung will in the future. For now, at $149, the Buds Plus look like totally fine buds in the market. Not the most bargain priced and not the most expensive. They're not packaged with Samsung's phones though, which is annoying. I mean, put them in with the phones or create a better bundle. But you know how it goes. There will be Samsung phones on sale, and you'll probably find these things effectively available in a way that you could get them as some sort of discounted bundle. We saw 3 different colors of the Buds Plus. There's a blue, a black, and a white. There's also a red color that we didn't see. So you do have color options here, but they look and feel kind of like other buds I've seen before. There are little flexible tips that go in for noise isolation. There's a touch surface that I was able to tap, and it should be able to control things like play and skip. There's meant to be a Spotify quick access feature, but they look like, you know, buds I've seen before. Would I get those over another pair of buds? It depends on how great they sound, how great the battery life is, how much they end up really costing, if they're available on sale. And there are other buds that are on the market. Google's making one, Microsoft's making a pair. I'm sure there'll be a lot more. So your options keep increasing as far as what headphones you might want to get with your Samsung phone. Now, we didn't get a chance to listen to these, so in order to really know how these are, we're going to have to pair them with a Samsung phone or any other phone. Walk around with them, listen to them, commute with them, see what the battery life is like. That takes time. We're going to have to see what that's like, and we'll tell you about that in the future. Now, size-wise, the elongated case kind of reminded me of the AirPod Pro charging case. They felt a little bit bulky when I took them out, but they're actually smaller in some ways than things like AirPods if you consider that they don't have the stick coming out. But the main part feels a little bit larger. It does lie a little more flush. How will they stay in your ears? I didn't run with them. I didn't jump up and down with them. I didn't hang upside down with them. So we'll have to see how well they stay in and how well, you know, whether will they pop out? Will they feel more secure? Will the sound more isolated even without noise canceling? We'll see. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus should be available online only at first, and then available in stores March 6th. So you can start taking a look for them pretty soon, and we'll follow up with a full review here at CNET and tell you how good they actually are.